All right, time to do a little maintenance on this boat. We dinged up the prop a little bit, and it's time to replace it. So we're gonna go over that. It's not a hard job. You only need a few tools. You're gonna need a screwdriver. You're gonna need 15/16 socket. And that's pretty much about it. So let's get into it. All right, so I've already done all this stuff, but there's a little pin in here. Well, usually it's a cotter pin, but it's not on this one. These two flaps, you just take your screwdriver. So these are normally bent up around this here bolt. Take your screwdriver and flatten them out. I use Ryobi. Take your 15/16, put on there. Take the bolt off. It's that easy. It's a nylon lock washer. Here's your locking clip. So these two bend down, these two go. Keep it from spinning right there. Take this one off. This is your, I don't know what it's called, retaining, like your crush washer, something. This slides right on off. Doesn't look the best in there. I can't read what that says. So I guess when we hit stuff, it's, see how the old, and that's what these are meant to do. This hard plastic in here is meant to give way in case you hit something. So you rather tear your prop up instead of your lower. Take the retaining, the other one off. And while you're in here, make sure you don't have any line or anything tangled up in there. So after you take the prop off, put some good old grease on your shaft. Can never go wrong with a nice grease shaft. Make sure you have a towel, because this gets dirty. I just use paper towel like this. Get a little bit. And then commence to get a layer. There you go. That's all you need to do. Don't need a lot. It just helps in the future. Also, helps to have a new shaft. I went with a 10 3/4 by 12 pitch from Amazon. It's a direct replacement for Amazon. 60 bucks instead of 100 and something for the Black Max. It's also aluminum. Yeah. This goes back on, I think. It should. Yeah, why not? Let's see. Yeah, there we go. And look at that. That's back on there. This one's different than the other one. These two go right there. And you take your nylon nut, put back in there. It's your 15/16. It doesn't have to go super tight. There we go. There we go. What you got to do is make sure these are lined up. So there we go. Now that's on there, not going anywhere. Bend these back. Take your flats. Bend that back over. And push that flat up on there. There you go. That's one. Push this one back up on there. And that keeps the bolt from loosening up. There you go. Brand new prop. Perfect. That's how hard it is. I'll put a link to that prop down in the description because it had a lot of good reviews and it was only 60 bucks. Comes in different prop sizes and pitches. So if you want a higher top speed or slower top speed and a bigger hole shot, they're all available.